These templates will work on Premiere Pro 2018, 2019, and 2020 all versions. Font changing feature is not available in the 2018 version template. Let me show you how to edit the template. Open Premiere Pro. Create new sequence. I am taking Full HD preset. Open the Essential Graphics panel. Go to Windows, select Essential Graphics. Click on this icon to import the template. Now select the template and place it on the timeline. These templates are 4K compatible. To use in Full HD, scale down template by 50%. In the Edit tab, here you can change all texts, fonts, colors. Let's change them one by one. Here you can change the template background color. Change video placeholder rectangle fill and stroke color here. Hide checkout text here. Change the video placeholder position here. Change social media text and color here. Change elements color here. Change the rotating circle color here. Let me show you how to export this template as transparent mode. That you can use it as an overlay. Go to File, Export Media. In Format select QuickTime. Select Animation and Video Codec. Click on Match Source. Here select Render at maximum depth. In depth, select 8-bit per channel plus alpha. Also select Use maximum render quality. That's it. Thanks for watching.